Hi there, I'm Gary. Now, if you've ever heard the term offshore company, well, you might picture something complicated, something reserved for the elite or just plain out of reach. But let me tell you, offshore companies have evolved. They're no longer a luxury or a mystery. Today, they're accessible, transparent, and within reach for business owners of all sizes. Offshore companies often carry this air of exclusivity. They're only for huge corporations or for the ultra wealthy. But let me tell you, times really have changed. The new digital age has made offshore company formation not just accessible, but also incredibly streamlined. At Offshore Company Reg, we believe in breaking down barriers. Whether you're a small business owner, a freelancer, or a seasoned entrepreneur, the opportunities of offshore solutions are now at your fingertips. An offshore company can open up a whole new world for your business, from reducing your tax burden to entering financial markets, gaining financial privacy, and even protecting your assets. It's a real game changer. But the real beauty? Well, it's not as complicated as you might think. With the right partner, setting up an offshore company can be fast, transparent, and completely stress-free. No hidden fees, no guesswork, just results. Our mission here at Offshore Company Reg is to take the overwhelm out of the process. We guide you every step of the way, from selecting the right jurisdiction to compliance, banking, and beyond. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Is this really for me? Is it just too complicated, too risky? Well, these are fair questions, and trust me, you're not alone. But here's the thing, offshore company formation doesn't have to be a headache. With the right team behind you, it's surprisingly simple and incredibly rewarding. We've helped hundreds of clients just like you achieve their goals with tailored, purpose-built solutions. So if you want to find out how you could benefit from offshore companies, or you want to find a reliable partner to support you with incorporations, banking, or administrative services, then book a free discovery call with one of our expert consultants today, or visit our website at www.offshorecompanyreg.com. Let's talk about your business, your goals, and how we can help you take that next big step with confidence. Whether you're looking to scale your business, protect your wealth, or explore new markets, offshore solutions can open doors you never thought possible.